Hello, everybody. Thank you for watching this video. And this time, would like to give insights on the requirements of registered business to the requirements of DNR EMB at the regional level. First thing to remember is to register the company profile of the company to the DNR company registration system. And first, in the registration of the company profile to the DNR company registration system is to create an account. So how to create an account to the company registration system of DNR? First is to visit client.emb.gov.ph and you will be directed to this dashboard or window. And we have here the create an account button. So just click on it and then provide the information to create an account. So for example, username, we have JPEX 2026, first name Juan and last name Cruz. The position is PCO and we have also the email. For example, jpex@gmail.com, telephone or mobile number 0998-543-5477. And we have also the desired password. Then we select the region, for example, Calabarzon region. And we also upload the competent evidence of identity, the company issued ID. We select the file and then upload the system. Also, the government issued ID like driver's license. We select the file and then upload to the system. And then click save to successfully create the account. So the formal registration of the company profile is after creating the account. What are the other accounts needed for the company to comply with the requirements of DNR EMB? We need also to have an account through online permitting and monitoring system. And we have here the registration button. So in creating an account to the online permitting and monitoring system through opms.emb.gov.ph, we can apply for discharge permit after successful creation of an account. We can also apply for permit to operate, PCL clearance, and other applicable registration and clearance and permits. So here we need to fill up this registration form like first name, Juan, last name, Cruz, company, ABC, Company Inc., address, where the office is located. For example, Barangay Alangilan, Batangas City, Batangas. The mobile number 0998-543-5477. And then landline number if available. Then email, for example, jpex@gmail.com. Confirm email, jpex@gmail.com. And the desired password, 1234567, for example. We also attach the competent evidence of identity, the company issued ID. We select the file and then upload to the system. Also, the government issued ID, we select the file and then upload to the system. We need also to attach a company authorization letter. We select the file and then upload to the system. Do not forget to agree to the terms and condition, then push submit. And there will be a notification to our registered email to activate our account to the online permitting and monitoring system. So with respect to successful account creation, We can now um, log in to the online permitting and monitoring system using our registered email, activated email, and then the password. Now, after creating an account to the OPMS, you need also to create an account to the hazardous waste management system for the registration as hazardous waste generator in compliance with DOW 2013-22. So to create an account in the hazardous waste management system, we can click register a new account. So we need to provide first name, example one, last name Cruz, then email jpex@gmail.com, mobile number 0998-543-5477, then password, confirm password. We need also to attach our government ID and then company ID. We select the file and then upload to the system. And do not forget to accept terms and condition, then push register to have this account created. And finally, we shall create an account to the PCO accreditation system for the application for accreditation as pollution control officer. So to create an account in the PCO online accreditation system, we just click sign up. So we provide personal email, for example, jpex@gmail.com, then password, retype password, and then tick I agree to the terms and then push this button register. And there will be a notification to our registered email to activate our account to the PCO accreditation system. So after successful registration, we can now log into the PCO online accreditation system. So these are the 4 online services of DNR EMB that we should have an account. The pollution control officer should have an account. The company registration system, the online permitting and monitoring system, the hazardous waste management system, and then the online PCO accreditation system. So do not forget to create an account for your future application for permits, future registration as waste generator, and then future application for PCO accreditation. Thank you very much for watching. If you have question, and I'm looking forward to your insights and questions sa atin pong chat box. Maraming salamat sa inyo lahat and God bless us all.